Okay, I want to complete square with you today. Before we do any completing square, I want to remind you what is the meaning of perfect square. Perfect square is something like x squared plus 4x plus 4, which can be factorized into x plus 2 all square. If you forget how to do it, you can factorize it by breaking off the first term x squared and breaking off 4 into 2, so that you have 2x, which is 4x in the middle, and this is called perfect square. Another example is x squared plus 6x plus 9. When you factorize it again, it is called perfect square because it is x plus 3 all square. So when we have a case, for example, we only have x squared plus say 6x, okay, we don't have the third term, it is missing, but we want to do a completing square to these two terms so that I can factorize this polynomial into perfect square. How would I do that? I would add a term to the polynomial so that I can have complete square for the first three terms. After I add a term, I need to minus it back. So how would I know what term to be added? Usually, you will think of x squared plus bx, and the third term will be b over 2 all square. When you add this term, you have to minus it back later so that the original form of this polynomial will remain unchanged. Okay, after that, you are going to factorize the first two terms into x plus b over 2 all square. After you have done the factorization, you need to don't forget the last term, which is b squared over 4 after you expand it. So this is called the method of completing square. Okay, let's go back to my question. I need to complete the square of x squared plus 6x. So I'm going to add the third term, which is 6 over 2, which is b over 2 all square. So I need to minus it back as well. 6 over 2 is 3. 3 squared is 9. I will have x squared plus 6x plus 9, which can be factorized perfectly, minus 9. So the factorization will be x plus b over 2, which is 6 over 2 all square, minus the 9 back, and my answer will be x plus 3 square plus all square plus minus 9. So this is the completing square we are going to drill today.